No, that's one of the cool things about real estate investing is there is not really a degree that you can get in it. You can become a realtor, but being a realtor and a real estate investor are two separate things. To become a real estate investor, there's no formal education, there's no formal teaching, there's nothing really from an academic perspective that you need to master before you can embark on it. It is something that you kind of got to reach inside yourself, find the intrinsic motivation, and just get started. A lot of people will pay some type of tuition in learning this. And generally, that tuition comes not in the form of money to a school or university, but rather money to a contractor for unpaid work, paying too much for a type of repair or some other type of like real world life experience where as soon as you do it, you're like, you know what, never going to do that again, but I'll learn my lesson. And I'm just going to think about this as tuition for learning this lesson, right? So if you are interested in becoming a real estate investor, I would not recommend becoming a realtor. I would not recommend buying any real estate investing courses or anything like that. I would just get plugged in locally, find some local real estate investors. I would read a significant amount of books about real estate investing. One of my favorites is by John Schwab. It's called Building Wealth One House at a Time. And if you're interested in single family homes, I think that's probably one of the better books that you could possibly get. If you are interested in apartment buildings or commercial real estate, then there are books on that field as well. But I would say learn as much as you can on the front end via books and meeting, networking, and becoming friends with other local real estate investors. And then as soon as you figure out what type of real estate investing you want to pursue, then I would start limiting your kind of networking to other real estate investors that are local that are in the same type of real estate investing that you're interested in. I think that would be the way to go.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.